If you're ready to take your sewing skills to the next level or just want a reliable machine to handle your creative projects, it may be time to upgrade to a sewing machine. But with so many sewing machines on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best sewing machines. Whether you're looking for the best serger, the most versatile, or a beginner-friendly sewing machine, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the Serger MX60 sewing machine. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This lightweight and portable sewing machine is easy to use, so it's great for beginners. Whether you're fixing up your favorite jeans, making fun crafts, or creating something new, this machine covers you. With 57 stitch applications, you can sew just about anything. From basic stitches to decorative ones, this machine makes it simple to add extra flair to your projects. Plus, the one-step buttonhole feature is very handy. You can make perfect buttonholes every time without the hassle. This machine is built to last thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame. It stays stable, so you don't have to worry about it wobbling or skipping stitches, even when sewing through layers of fabric. It's tough and dependable, so you can tackle all kinds of projects knowing this machine will stick with you for years. It also features an adjustable thread tension dial. This dial helps you get perfect, balanced stitches no matter what fabric or thread you're using. Threading is easy too. The guides are simple to follow, making both upper threading and bobbin winding quick and stress-free. That means less time setting up and more time sewing. There are 6 built-in stitches to choose from, an easy-to-use stitch selection dial, a front-loading bobbin system, and even a reverse lever. Everything about this machine is designed to keep sewing fun and frustration-free. It also features an LED light, so you can see your work clearly, even if you're sewing at night. Plus, it doesn't have any complicated setup. It's designed to be user-friendly. The included accessory kit gives you all the essentials, and the foot pedal lets you control the speed like a pro. Its compact size means you can easily move it around or store it when you're not using it. Overall, the Serger MX60 is a great choice if you're looking for a dependable and affordable sewing machine to get the job done. Number 6 is the Brother ST371 HD sewing machine. This sewing machine is best for beginners on our list. With 37 built-in stitches, including utility and decorative options, you'll have all the tools you need for a variety of projects. The Easy Stitch Selector dial lets you switch between stitches in seconds. Plus, it comes with 6 sewing feet, so you can customize your setup for different fabrics and tasks like zippers, buttonholes, or blind hems. If you're working with stretchy fabrics like spandex or knits, the stretch stitches make sewing tricky materials much easier. Plus, the automatic buttonhole presser and foot are simple to use. Unlike the usual 4-step buttonholes you find on most mechanical machines, this one does the whole thing in one go. It makes your projects look way more professional without the extra hassle. Plus, the free arm option is great when sewing sleeves, cuffs, or any other hard-to-reach spots. It's designed to make those tricky parts easy to handle, and if you're working with heavier fabrics like denim or canvas, this machine is built tough to handle it. The durable construction means you can sew with confidence, even on thicker materials. This machine comes with an automatic needle threader, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, instructional DVD, and manual. These make sewing smoother and faster, so you can focus on your creativity instead of troubleshooting. However, it's a bit on the heavier side with 18 pounds, but still, it's a simple machine for at-home projects. Overall, the Brother ST371 HD is a solid all-around sewing machine, especially for beginners. Number 5 is the Brother 1034D Serger. This is the best Serger sewing machine on our list. This overlock machine is built with a heavy-duty metal frame, making it durable and stable, even when you're working at high speeds. This Serger can stitch up to 1,300 stitches per minute, which means you can finish your projects faster without sacrificing quality. It comes with 3 accessory feet that let you experiment with different techniques, like gathering, piping, and blind hemming. The removable trim trap is a handy feature. It catches the fabric scraps as you sew, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. This serger makes your seams look professional. It trims, sews, and overlooks the edges all in one go, giving your work that polished store-bought vibe. The machine is versatile too. It works with 3 or 4 threads, so you can choose the best option for your fabric. Whether you're sewing knits, stretchy fabrics, or even thicker materials, this machine handles it like a pro. It comes with easy-to-follow threading instructions, which is very helpful, especially if you're new to using one. You don't have to worry about getting lost in complicated steps because the instructions guide you through it all. This makes it perfect for beginners. This machine is user-friendly too, with color-coded threading guides that make setup quick and easy. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn sewing or experienced sewers who want professional finishes. However, you must rethread the machine to reset the overlock, which can be a bit time-consuming, especially if you need to switch between different thread settings. Overall, the Brother 1034D Serger is a solid investment for anyone serious about delivering professional quality results with ease. And if you want to know the latest prices for the sewing machines discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Serger Heavy Duty Holiday Bundle. This is the most complete set on our list. This machine comes with a strong motor that can sew through thick fabrics like denim and canvas without any trouble. This machine gives you 110 stitch applications, which means you can choose from a variety of stitches for different tasks, whether you're quilting, making clothes, or creating home decor. It also has a one-step buttonhole, making it quick and easy to add buttonholes to your projects without any hassle. Plus, the LED light gives you great visibility, so you can sew in low light without straining your eyes. This sewing machine gives you tons of options for getting creative with your projects. You can choose from basic stretch and decorative stitches, which makes it easy to customize your work however you like. It also has a jam-proof bobbin and a clear bobbin cover plate, so you can easily see how much thread is left and know when to refill. The bobbin is simple to wind and insert, making setup quick and hassle-free. It also features a built-in needle threader. It helps you thread the needle effortlessly, so you don't have to struggle with tiny threads anymore. The machine is also designed for durability with its full metal frame. This sturdy internal metal support keeps the machine stable while you sew and ensures it lasts for a long time. Plus, the drop feed lever is a great tool for more advanced sewing techniques. You can lower the feed teeth to sew on buttons, do free motion sewing, and try out other creative methods with ease. This bundle comes with an extension table that provides extra space for larger projects like quilts or blankets. It also includes 2 presser feet that help you tackle different types of fabrics and sewing techniques with ease. However, it can be a little loud when running at high speeds, which might be distracting if you're working in a quiet space. Overall, the Serger Heavy Duty Holiday Bundle is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful machine that can handle a wide range of sewing tasks. Number 3 is the Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This is the most versatile sewing machine on our list. This sewing and embroidery machine is packed with features. Whether you're stitching up clothes, adding cute embroidery to projects, or just experimenting, this machine can handle it all. It has a wireless LAN connection, so you can send designs to it without messing around with USB drives. It's perfect if you're into techie stuff or want to save time. With this machine, you can personalize your embroidery projects. You can even draw your own designs on your phone or tablet and send them straight to the machine wirelessly. Or if drawing isn't your thing, just pick from a bunch of cool patterns in the collection and transfer them in a snap. This machine comes with 135 built-in embroidery patterns and 103 sewing stitches, so you've got loads of options to customize and get creative. This sewing and embroidery combo machine has many handy features, like an automatic needle threader that takes care of threading the needle for you. No squinting or struggling needed. Plus, the drop-in top bobbin is jam-resistant, so you won't have to worry about it getting stuck while you're working. The 4x4-inch hoop area is a great size for beginners or small projects, and switching between sewing and embroidery is easy. The 3.7-inch touchscreen display makes navigating through designs and settings a breeze. There are no tiny buttons or confusing menus to slow you down or frustrate you. You also get 8 different presser feet, which help you handle everything from zippers to quilting. Plus, it's a computerized machine, meaning it takes care of a lot of the hard work for you so you can focus on the fun parts. Overall, the Brother SE700 is an excellent balance of value, performance, and creativity for most sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. Number 2 is the Serger Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing machine. This is the best value sewing machine on our list. With 600 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and even lettering stitches, this machine gives you endless possibilities to customize your projects. Whether you're sewing clothes, making quilts, or creating home decor, you'll have the perfect stitch for every job. It features high-end touch buttons, making it easy to control the machine and select stitches with just a tap. The LED light provides excellent visibility, so you can work on your projects late into the night without straining your eyes. This machine also comes with an extension table, giving you extra space for bigger projects like quilts. Plus, the hard carrying case ensures your machine stays safe when you're on the go. It also includes a complete accessory kit, so you have everything you need to get started right away. This computerized machine is user-friendly with an easy-to-read display and a variety of automatic features like one-step buttonholes and needle threading. Overall, the Serger Quantum Stylist 99-60 is a great choice at its price point and its features. Number 1 is the Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine. This is the best overall sewing machine on our list. With 165 built-in stitches, you can easily switch between different stitch types for any project. The LCD makes it easy to see and select your stitches, so you don't have to guess or struggle with complicated settings. This machine also comes with a wide table, giving you plenty of space to work on larger projects. Plus, it includes 8 presser feet, which means you can try out different techniques like quilting, zippers, and buttonholes without having to buy extra feet separately. It's computerized, so you can easily adjust settings, and it runs smoothly with minimal effort. From small crafts to big quilting projects, this machine is perfect for getting the job done efficiently and professionally. With its wide range of features and ease of use, it's a great tool for any sewist looking to take their projects to the next level. This sewing machine is easy to operate, so you won't have to worry about complicated settings or confusing buttons. It's also lightweight, which makes it easy to move around or store when you're not using it. Plus, it comes with alphanumeric stitches, which means you can add letters and numbers to your projects. Perfect for personalizing your creations like custom labels or designs. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect sewing machine much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time,